Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Syzerra Learning. In today's lesson, we're exploring something fun and creative, the wavy text effect. This is a fantastic way to add personality to your designs, and Canva makes it incredibly simple. With Canva's new feature, creating wavy text is easier than ever. Previously, this type of customization wasn't possible within Canva, but now you have full control to personalize your text. However, I'll also show you the traditional method for creating wavy text, just in case the new app encounters any issues, giving you options to choose from. So let's dive in and learn how to create this amazing effect. First, I will show you the wavy text effect using an app integrated in Canva. Start by navigating to the Apps section to create your wavy text. Then, in the search box, look for the app Typecraft. Here is the application. Please click on it. Now, a new control panel will appear. You'll find plenty of options for customizing your text here. First, you have text, which is where you write the words that you want to wavy. The next option is font. You can change the font style for your text. There are many options available. You now have an effect. You can also incorporate the effect into your text as well. You can also change the color of your text. At the bottom, you have the option of making your text wavy. You can make your text wavy by pulling these anchors. After you adjust the anchor, click on the Add Element to Design button. It has been completed. Now I will show you the second method to create a wavy text effect. So, to make your text wavy in Canva by using an old and second method, you need an additional tool which is completely free and easy to use. You cannot create a wavy text effect with Canva directly, so let me show you how to create wavy text now. First, design your text. After that, save your design as a PNG file and make sure the image is transparent. Now go to this website called photopea.com. After that, upload your design to this website. You can drag and drop your design to upload it. After uploading your design, go to the top menu tab Edit and select Transform, then Warp. The new control panel for Warp is seen at the top. Now, click here on the None tab and then select this wave option. The wave effect is successfully applied to the text. You can change the wave effect further by adjusting these anchor points. After you are done with all settings, export this image as a PNG file. Now, open Canva and import your downloaded wave text effect design. In this way, you can create wavy text in Canva using the old method. So that's how easy it is to create wavy text in Canva.